Hallo Leute, ich hoffe, Sie sind in Sicherheit. I hope you all are safe. In the last few days, I have been answering questions like, can we truly learn a foreign language by watching movies on Netflix or Amazon Prime? Or is it completely a waste of time? So I think today you will come to know that it is a fun way of learning through movies. Movies are just fun and entertaining, so you can definitely reserve them for the time when you don't want to do any intense learning. And secondly, German movies tend to use nature conversational German. And of course, if it's a Friday night, then reading books would be the last thing on your mind. But I have a tip for you guys. To learn a language as effectively as possible, you should keep track of new vocabulary. So you have to watch the video till it ends so that you'll be able to know how to watch German movies or movies in any language if you are at advanced or intermediate level or you are just a beginner. I shall give you the list of movies and web series. I have watched some of them and believe me, these are the best. First one is Perfume. Perfume. It is a web series of 6 episodes and around 1 hour each. It is a murder mystery and it is full of suspense and thriller. If you like thriller, you must watch it. Next one is Dark. Dark. It has 2 seasons and it is also full of suspense and it is also a thriller. You must watch it. Next one is Drei Türken und ein Baby. Drei Türken und ein Baby. If you have watched the Hindi movie Hey Baby, then you'll like this one also. It is somewhat like that only. The next one is the Holiday Secrets. Holiday Secrets. It is a limited edition series on Netflix with 3 episodes and it is a very beautiful series. You must watch it. Next one is Schubert in Love. Schubert in Love. It is a story of a man. It is a romantic comedy. He meets a girl and also a very nice movie. Next few movies are on Amazon Prime and the first one is What Happens in Vegas. What Happens in Vegas. It's a story of a couple got drunk in Vegas and also got married. It's a romantic comedy. The next one is Love and Other Drugs. Love and Other Drugs. It's also a romantic comedy. And the next is The Uninvited. The Uninvited. It is based on a Korean horror movie and it is full of thrill and suspense. You must watch it if you are a fan of horror movies like I am. The last but not the least is a new web series of 2020 itself and it's upload on Amazon Prime. It is basically a science fiction comedy and sort of a time travel. Actually, I am also on it. It has around 10 episodes, but it seems to be great. Now, as I said before, I'll let you know about some tips how you can learn a language through Netflix or Amazon. Though it sounds pretty ideal to watch movies and learn a language, but it definitely involves some strategies which you need to follow. Let's assume you can speak English but you are learning German. So you have to play the audio in English but you have to play the subtitles in German. The subtitles should be in German. It will be very helpful to you if you are a beginner or also if you are at intermediate level. It was very helpful to me in the beginning and you can also write some sentences if you think that they might be helpful for you. If you are a beginner, then you have to play German audios with English subtitles. German audios but English subtitles. This will help you to get used to the sounds of German. And please remember that you don't have to understand everything. You just have to focus on the intonations, pronunciations and rhythm. At intermediate or advanced level, you have to play the German audio with German subtitles. But after some time, you have to play the audios without any subtitles. You don't have to look at the subtitles because it will help you to improve your listening skills and it will benefit your pronunciation because you will stop focusing on how and what is written. the next important tip is pre-watch and re-watch. Sometimes you don't understand what is happening and therefore you miss the plot or you miss something important. But it won't be an issue if you already know what is going to happen. It would be easier for you to fill in the gaps. These techniques work for all the languages, whether it's French, Spanish, or German. So now you can watch all the movies and shows and no need to feel guilty anymore because you are learning while watching. So I think you will definitely like this video. So do give it a thumbs up, share it further, and click the bell icon to subscribe us if you still haven't. And if you want to know more fun ways to learn a language, you can write us in the comment section. Macht's gut, tschüss!